Running a successful business takes dedication, hard work, and wise investments. Your devices are the life of your operations, keeping everything running smoothly. But what happens if that dreaded device accident or mishap occurs? Introducing Complete Business Device Insurance by Worth Ave Group, your ultimate protection against the unexpected. We understand devices can be a significant investment to supply your staff. Repairing or replacing hardware after an incident can be a hassle and costly. 1 in 5 devices are damaged within the first year. Protecting your investment is so important. So if you have work-at-home employees or devices that just seem to stay on the go at risk for damage, it may be time to look into device protection for your company. So when coffee spills and cracked screens happen, your bill is covered by Worth Ave Group Device Insurance, and your devices are repaired by trusted technicians. Your devices in working condition are returned to the office with little to no out-of-pocket cost for you. With just a standard warranty, you'd be paying out of pocket if an employee accidentally damages their laptop or it gets stolen. Other protection plans have a higher premium, higher deductible, and may only cover a few claims per year. Worth Ave Group can offer you much more coverage with competitive rates. With super low premiums and deductibles, get unlimited accidental damage, cracked screens, liquid damage, fire, flood, natural disasters, power surge by lightning, defect, failure, and theft covered. You can even customize your coverage. If your device is stolen or unrepairable, we'll issue you a check for a replacement. Check out how much insurance can help your business save on device mishaps. MacBook Air replacement, covered. Tablet screen repair, covered. Make device damage a worry of the past. Complete Business Device Insurance by Worth Ave Group, your business's device mishap safety net. Save time, money, and hassle with trusted protection. Visit worthavegroup.com/business to get a quote for your company's laptops, tablets, or phones. That's worthavegroup.com/business.